Hi beauties, I am Jenean Z. Flanders and I am the Trendy Minimalist. This channel is for any woman who wants to own and embrace their femininity. If you're interested in content like that, please keep watching. So I'm going to start with outerwear. I have two pieces of outerwear that I want to show you today. One is going to be a dressy piece and one is going to be casual. The first one I'm going to show you is this blazer. This blazer I got from JCPenney's. It was, I don't know, not too expensive, but it's a beige colored blazer. And that's one of the things that I would advise you guys to get for fall, a beige color blazer. It's just something to dress up your outfits. It's not necessarily black. I know most of us have a black blazer, but it's kind of a fall color. So it warms up everything and still something that is super neutral and functional for most of your pieces. For a casual look, I'm going to go with a denim jacket. It could be cropped, it could be longer. This one is cropped. This one came from Urban Outfitters, but kind of the same thing. You need something to insulate you. You need something to give you another layer of warmth, and this is what this is, but in a very comfortable, casual way. So you could look at the blazer as something as like a workwear piece, a work piece. And then you can look at the denim jacket as something like a weekend piece or a loungewear piece. So those are the two outerwear pieces that I would suggest for your wardrobe. The next things that I would suggest are tops. And so I'm going to go through 5 tops. Yep, 5 tops that I think that would be great for your wardrobe. So let's go. The first 2 are the same. This is a black turtleneck that I feel like is a fall essential. A black turtleneck, I got this one from Target, so not expensive, probably like 12 bucks I think, but great comfortable piece. I bought it last year. It held up, so that kind of lets you know that Target's turtlenecks can hold up. But a black turtleneck. The next thing I got is a brown turtleneck. This is more of a mock neck one, and this one came from Walmart. I wanted a brown turtleneck in this kind of color, and the only place I could find one that I wanted was from Walmart. But the quality, it's like a thin layering piece. It's actually pretty thick. It's a one size fit all. I am about 130 pounds right now, and I'm 5'3", and this fits me like it fits me. So I feel like if you're a small, medium person, this might work, but I don't know. It's a one size and it's very stretchy. You see this? Like super stretchy. So you might be a large and this color might be able to work for you. But I would get a brown because right now brown is trending and it gives you a little chance to like enter into the fashion world, you know, try a trend that's also a statement piece. And so this would be a good or a staple. This would be a very good investment piece. And all of these things that I'm showing you are investment pieces. So you can buy them this fall, but they're gonna hold out for some years. Okay, so now we're on to bottoms, and I only have 2 bottoms for you. The first one I'm gonna show you is this denim pant. This is a straight leg pant. Let me take it off the hanger so you guys can really see it. But this is a straight leg pant. And it's a little bit darker than your typical medium wash denim. And I like this one because I feel like everyone needs a straight leg pant in their wardrobe. And just it being this denim color, like a little bit darker, makes it a little bit more fall. And that's what we're kind of trying to do here. We're transitioning into fall pieces. Love this. If it's a colder day, what I would do is put little tights or leggings under this and throw on a boot. And then I have this other pair of pants. These are a slim leg pants. As you can see, the legs are super skinny. There we go. Super skinny pant. But this is a slim leg pant. Kind of like if jeans are your weekend wear, this could be your dress wear. You can wear this type of pant with anything. It dresses up everything. It's slim leg, so this one fits close to your body. It adds a little bit of extra warmth. And it's just an essential, a staple. Like I told you, I'm showing you everything that's investment pieces because I really believe that your money needs to go the distance. Those straight leg jeans, they came from Target, I believe. I'm trying to think, or was it H&M? I think it was H&M. You know, H&M, their jean section is pretty big, so I think you can find something similar, if not that pair, for a relatively inexpensive price. I doubt I paid $30. These pants came from Boohoo, and I've actually had these for like 2 to 3 years now. And so when I'm talking about, this is not even expensive, but an investment piece that held up for years because it's just an essential to your wardrobe, you need something like this. So I only think you really need 2 pieces of jewelry for the fall. Everything else is just a bonus. And so I'm going to show you. This is a gold necklace. You see how thin and pretty this is? This came from the brand Ava and Aiden, and actually came with 2 little thin necklaces. Either I would do one gold necklace like this, or I would do one kind of like what I'm wearing, just all gold. And I feel like if you have either this or something like this in all gold, that would be perfect. That's all you need as far as your necklaces. When it comes to bracelets or watches, do a bracelet watch. This one is actually from Target. So you see that? This is a simple one, but just a simple bracelet watch goes with everything. It adds up some glam. I mean, if I put it on now, it would just add a little bit of like extra, like, I don't know, what is it? Class, expense, sophistication to my wardrobe. So you only need those 2 pieces. You need a necklace. I said either a thin one like this one or a chunky one like this one in gold, and then get a little bracelet watch. And those will be your 2 fall essentials. So we're on to our next section, and this section is bags. So, bag lady. Remember that song by Erykah Badu? Just popped in my head. But anyway, love bags, and I feel like for me there are 4 bags for fall. So here are the 4 that I am choosing. I want a basic black bag. This bag came from Aldo. It's kind of like obviously the vibe that's a bit reminiscent of Chanel. Love this bag. Really comfortable bag. I tuck my straps in because I prefer to have a short option and a long option. If I cannot find a bag with a short option, like one of those that you can like do like this, I'll tuck in the straps and make it a short option. And so this one came from Aldo, but for you guys, you need a basic black bag. It could be black, like all black like this. It can be black and gold. It can be black and silver. But black bags are necessary in your wardrobe. Outside of a black bag, here is a white bag. This bag came from Mango. It doesn't matter if you're black or white. But in America it does. Sad but true. Let's keep moving on. But this bag came from Mango. This one does have a option where there is a longer strap in it, but I tucked it in. A white bag. So you need a black bag, you need a white bag. I feel like white does something almost like color does to things. It gives your outfit another extra pop. Even if you see like I'm holding it up against what I'm wearing and it's like popping out. So it's a way to kind of make something more fun, but it's also a neutral that goes with pretty much everything. So a white bag is your second option. The third option is a brown bag. We're also talking about a neutral, but we're also, you know, talking about the season's trending color. And so that is an investment piece. It holds 2 things, serves 2 purposes at one time. It's a neutral, but it also is on trend. This one I got from Marshalls, and again, it's a bag with the long strap. I have it tucked inside because, like I said, I like both options. And so I would suggest a brown bag to you guys. Cute bag, just useful. So those are my 3 neutral options. And then I want you to have one bag that's a little bit more fun, a little bit more interesting. It's not black, white, or brown. Super neutral. I decided for me that's a burgundy bag. This is a burgundy bag that I got from Mango. It has a chain link. It's just my fun bag for the season. And that's what I feel like every girl needs. Just one bag that's a little bit of a wild card. That's a little bit of a fun bag. It could be anything. It could be yellow. It can be turquoise. It can be red. It could be multicolored. But child, something different. Something fun. Something that you can really fall in love with. And finally, we're going to talk about shoes. I have 5 pairs of shoes for you, and I'm starting with this one. This is one of my newest ones and my new favorite. This is an H&M boot. It's a chunky boot. It's a Doc Martens spin-off. The only difference between this and the Doc Martens, as you can see, this has a white thread trim. Doc Martens have a kind of almost this color thread around their trim. But I absolutely love this. Any chunky boot that's kind of a flat boot is what I suggest for you for fall. This is an investment. This is something that comes into style every single year, but it's a comfortable shoe, and we all need a comfortable shoe. And so I'm going to suggest to you getting one chunky boot. My next shoes are going to be mules. You see, I have these black mules. They came from Urban Outfitters. And the reason I say mules, I feel like mule is the sandal for the fall. Like, your feet is out in the back, but your toes are still covered, so it's providing a little bit of warmth. And like I said, the sandal for the fall. And so I'm going to suggest a black leather pair. It's a basic. It'll go with everything. I can throw it on with what I'm wearing right now. Like, goes with everything. And yeah, I don't really have much else to say, but a black mule. I'm gonna, okay, so I'm gonna suggest to you two pumps. I'm gonna have this one. This one is a black pump. This one is one by the brand Louis et CA, with the CIE, Louis et CA. And I love them. They're just a black patent pump. The heel's not too high, which is good for me. Sometimes I don't want my heels that high, but just a regular black pump that kind of goes with everything. When you do a black pump, you're also going to need a nude pump. This one came from Charlotte Russe. It's from the brand Cupid, and it also can go with everything. And so that's what we're using, two neutral pumps, a black and a nude for fall. And finally, last but not least, a white pair of sneakers. These are Adidas. You know the brand. I got them from, I don't know where, but some shoe store. But this Adidas, and I actually think that these are the kid sizes, because typically I get shoes in the kid size, like a boy's shoe in a kid size for sneakers. And so that's an option if you can't find what you need in a woman's size. But you should be able to find a pair of white sneakers from everywhere. You can get them from Nordstrom's, H&M, Foot Locker, like anywhere. Just find one that you're comfortable with and rock them out. This will go with everything. They're kind of like the chunky boot, except they're not a boot. They are just comfortable to wear with everything because they are flat. And so those are my options for shoes. Okay, here's the last thing I'm going to show you. I should have showed you this with clothing, but forgot. A black maxi dress. This one is one that came from H&M. It could come from anywhere. So you could wear with something like this, or another option that I think is good is just a black ribbed maxi dress. It's sleeveless. So you can like layer it. It could be loose or tight. If it's loose, you'll be able to really put things under it. If not, you'll be able to put things on top of it. But just a black long maxi dress, just for the times when you want to look girly, you want to go with everything. You need something that goes with everything. Everybody knows that a little black dress goes with everything. And that concludes my fall essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I am Jenean Z. Flanders. I am the Trendy Minimalist. If you like content like this, please like this video, share, and subscribe. Welcome to my channel.